Otherwise, wait 5 minutes or press any other key to start installation, right?
No, now the system will be formatted and installed. Dili, kuha ang taning kuha.
Ronnie.
Control delete
that one.
Ha? Control alt delete.
That one.
Control alt delete. No, control alt delete.
Okay.
Stopping kernel log daemon, sending all processes return signal.
Sana.
What ang big here?
When is the sun?
What time now?
So like that kind of beat.
What time now?
Okay.
It's ready?
11:30.
Hindi?
Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng scene na to. Tingnan nyo. Tumalon.
Daddy, you open that.
Yeah. Wait.
Mariah Carey.
Ano na nilagay mo dyan? Phoenix pa rin?
What? I mean, you are doing the same
Yeah.
there. No, different thing. Different thing.
Which one? What's happening?
What you're doing there in that? What you are doing here?
No. I will start it because there is an error. There is an error in the installation.
Now that software is there already installed in that disk. Now we have to only run that from the hard disk, or what you are doing now?
I am doing now. I will try to
This one?
reinstall again because there is an error in the installation now.
Oh, camera is bit clear. Yeah, this one Sony. Sony is always good.
Sony is not good? Sony Ericsson is good?
Sony is very good.
Ah, okay.
But after Nokia.
Which is good? Nokia or Sony?
I prefer Nokia.
Yeah, Nokia is a friendly user.
Friendly user.
Yes.
Ronnie,
Yes.
if you don't do that work,
If you don't mind, I'm not commanding you, but do one thing, okay?
Just do one thing.
Okay. Just do one thing, okay?
No, wait.
Don't touch, just look.
Ronnie?
Ano ba yun?
What's the
Okay, I will tell you. Okay, Ronnie, I will.
Ano nagiro to?
See you, huh?
Di ba ang solution finish mo to? Ano nagiro mo to? Ang iyang kuan?
Ano si
I want that one. If you don't,
Format mo siya ba?
then I will go.
Okay. Come, you write it down. Oh, this is my...
Here's your.
Where is the lab?
Hindi ko ito pakita.
Oh. He opened so many wrong that bleak man from the memory also. What is that?
Hero?
Hero.
Let's still hero, huh?
Yeah. What is that spelling, man?
Why? You tried to...
What is the
Yeah,
spelling?
in English, no, just first, write first,
Anong
hero.
Yung hindi quick format? Yung isa?
Hero. Iglesias.
Ano yung... Sinasabi niya yung kanina, bitaw, yung press...
Hero.
Press 14
Iglesias.
minutes, then, or press any other key to start formatting.
here. This one, no?
Yeah. That one.
Not this. This one not good. Come on, guys. Come on, street boys. Come.
No, we're not street boys.
Yes.
Ah, yeah, I was street boys. No back, huh?
Ah. This one is
Tingnan
bad.
tingnan lang natin.
Tagal niyan.
Why?
Yan yung ano,
Is there
yan yung
bad
format.
sector?
Yan yung format na nag-i-erase ng bad sector.
Yun yun oh.
Yan yun.
Yung sabi mo kaya na ginawa ni ano
Ni Giselle.
Masama talaga yung hard disk, no?
Balik ba to? Yun bang yung inayos natin? Or
Sa kanya.
hindi? Bago yun?
Yun
Bago
yung
to?
inayos natin.
Ha?
Yun yung inayos natin dito.
Kanino yan?
Kinuha na, yun yung sa kanya talaga. Tapos inayos lang natin.
Ibig sabihin kung ano to. Tapos nakaibang ano na naman yan? Ibang MVG na naman yan?
Hindi, bagong dala yan.
Bagong dala. Oo.
Site.
Galing site yan. Hindi pa yan yung mga inayos natin. Wala pang nabalik nun.
Wala pa.
Okay.
Right? Not tomorrow. I want now.
Tingin ko tol,
What?
tagal yan, hindi ko maano tayo. Mga isang oras yan eh.
That one?
Mga isang oras yan. Katagal yan. Ayan, mag-1 pa lang, 4 yan. Oh.
Wala kang trabaho bukas eh. Tingnan natin. Ako lang may trabaho sa inyo bukas eh.
Ito mo. Oh,
Ako lang. Ikaw wala ka. Wala ka na. Sa Sunday ka na.
kalas na ako.
Oo. You're finished your night shift already and then...
Then they'll give you your passport already.
How about bukas, paano?
No, you're not going here.
Tomorrow, no need. You go to head office, get your passport.
Tomorrow you have to take
Then
your
proceed to
rest.
the airport.
The whole day.
Ticket there.
Tomorrow, my work be to clean this one.
Sabay tayo. Ha?
No,
Wala kang pasok. Kulit na yung bata.
Tayong dalawa na napasok.
walang pasok sila. Tapos siya,
Wala na ba tayo?
Maglalaba nga ako. Ako maunang maglalaba
kasi night shift siya bukas. Bukas, siya na yung magna-night shift. Tapos sa kanya, ako na naman. Ay, sana nandiyan ang ID tol. Para di na ako abutan ng night shift. Marami na tayong ano dito, farm. Oh, palaya na to yung ano ko. Nakasuminom mo.
Anong hard disk yan?
Dala pa rin nila.
Yung pinormat mo dito? Hindi.
Ito, this one.
Yung pinormat mo dito? Hindi
Yeah.
kumagat?
Sinero na ito.
Hindi, nag-hero.
Anong error sinabi?
Bad blocks found. Proceed to this format.
Maybe the already hard disk.
Oh,
It's really-
physically talaga critical na yung
It's not working in this one. It's not working here anymore.
Pero let's try to check this.
I'll just check.
Right, siguro. Baka nga magano siya.
Kakakainin niya yan.
I-observe natin. Kakainin.
But if this bad sector here, this will never be.